Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 11. Roasted cauliflower, mushroom. A healthy and tasty meal to prepare for your loved ones. Prepare time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 20 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 1 white onion, peeled and diced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, divided, 5 cloves of garlic, minced, 1.5 cups wild rice blend, juice of 1 lemon, 2 cups vegetable stock, 1 cup dry white wine, 1 head of cauliflower, sliced into small florets, 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms, halved. Toppings: freshly grated parmesan, freshly cut parsley, toasted pine nuts, and dried cranberries. Directions: 1. Warm your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a large pan, warm 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add onion to the pan and sauté for 5 minutes, mixing occasionally. Add the garlic to the pan and sauté for about a minute. 3. Prepare the rice according to package instructions. Add the wine and veggie stock to rice and stir. 4. Once the rice is cooked or tender, drain off the excess liquid or stock. Stir in the lemon juice. Add salt and pepper to the dish as needed. 5. Place the cauliflower and mushrooms onto a baking sheet. Drizzle mixture with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spice with salt and pepper. Roast for about 15 minutes, mixing halfway through. Continue to cook until the mushrooms and cauliflower are tender and slightly browned, then remove from heat. 6. In a large bowl, stir the rice and cauliflower/mushroom mix, then top with cranberries, parmesan, parsley, and pine nuts. Serve warm and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my roasted cauliflower, mushroom recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.